Hello children. This is a soak pit. This is also called a rain pit. We have made this pit on December 5th, World Soil Day. Our main intention is to check soil erosion. When it rains, the fertile topsoil will also erode along with the rainwater. We don't want to waste the most fertile topsoil. It will get settled down in this pit along with the rainwater. Now we are laying the coconut husk in the pit. Why are we doing this? This coconut husk will act like a sponge, absorbing water. This water will then seep into the earth. We have made open pits in different parts of our campus like this. To arrest running rainwater. Our soak pit is almost ready. Try to make such soak pits in your house.